Hello everybody. Today I've got a little project to do on the 1981 Silverado, and it's replacing the wiper arm. I found a new old stock genuine General Motors, never been opened. Let's take it out of the package and see how it looks. And there it is. Looks like it could use some cleanup. Definitely. I'll go ahead and get some cleanup, but it is brand new. The reason I'm changing this is the driver's side a few years back, the spring rusted and broke off. Why it rusted, I don't know, because the passenger side didn't. Previously, each wiper arm was taken off with the incorrect procedure. They used a pair of pliers to squeeze the tab and gouged it all up. It looks kind of crappy if you get to looking at it. But I have the correct tool. I will leave a link in the description where to get it. I think I got mine from LMC Truck many years ago, but I'm pretty sure Amazon carries it. And the way how it works is put that, it'll hook onto that spring, and then it can be pried off. When it's on the vehicle, this tab will be pushed out. So it's kind of hard to correctly demonstrate it, but something like that, and it'll pull the tab out where the wiper can be pulled straight off the shaft. So let me go work on getting this cleaned up, and we'll see what it looks like in a little while. A few minutes later, it's looking much better. I usually have to polish on some new old stock items and just freshen them up a little bit, but this is ready to go onto the truck. Alright, let's get started replacing this wiper arm. Just that easy. Just that easy. And I'm going to go ahead and put the wiper blade on the new arm in case I slip. I don't want that end popping the windshield. Then I'm just going to try to line it up the best I can. And it should slip on. I put a little bit of oil on it. That's a little tricky. I don't want that end popping the windshield. And I'm just going to try to line it up as best I can. It should slip on. I put a little bit of oil on it. And I'll zoom out, and it's pretty even. I'll show the old wiper arm. As far as functionality, it works, but it had improper removal and marred it all up, and I have one that's not, and then I had this one that was marred up, so just thought, well, if I found one at a reasonable price, I'll go ahead and get it. So this one, I'll just put it in the toolbox in case I have one break again. I have a good one to put on right quick. Once again, this has been replacing a wiper arm on the '81 Silverado. Thank you for watching.